So I was working on a RBI boiler 1.2 million BTU, and so when I got there, the boiler didn't come on. So I start measuring the voltage, see where we get the voltage drop, and so anyways, I got here so 24 volt across these two. So right away I know what the problem is here. I'm just doing a continuity test. This is a normally closed switch, and once it reaches what it's set here, 190 now it's set to, it should open up. Anyways, so this was open. It wasn't this is gonna feed another Aquastat, which will be your high limit, and you're gonna so it both gonna feed the ignition module in series, and Jesus, this thing is good angled here. But anyways, so the power comes to a float switch, then it goes to Aquastat with manual reset, which is this guy here, and then it goes to another Aquastat with automatic reset, and then it goes to the ignition module. So anyways, this I'm taking this to the manufacturer RBI. I want to see if it is the original part. I'm just curious to see if it's been replaced and they didn't use the OEM part. On boilers you can't use like, you have to use OEM parts. So I want to know that so here it is. You see the cracks on the sensing bulb. So this is a normally closed switch, and it will open up on temperature rise. What it is set to, so let's say it's set it to 180. So I set it 180 right there now, and it should open up once it reaches that temperature, and then it could be manually reset. Like, it's not gonna reset itself, so the power comes usually to a floor switch here, goes to another Aquastat with manual reset. It goes through another Aquastat with automatic reset, and then this will feed the ignition module. In this case was 24 volts. Yeah, so I just found it very interesting. I was busy yesterday. Started at 7 a.m. finished at 12 at night, so it was a very long day, 17 hours. Didn't have time to make videos, but anyways, just making this video. Like I said, I don't know, this, I never seen it like that, and I've been working on boilers for 30 years. I've never seen one like this. Interesting. Yeah, so I just want to make sure that's the original OEM part, and of course for boilers you have to use OEM parts. I've seen they change the ignition module and they don't put the OEM, but on the boiler it will say you have to use OEM parts, especially when it comes to the Aquastats ignition modules. These are like this 100% should be OEM parts. Floor switch, not a big deal, but when it comes to even a floor switch, I would go to the actual RBI. Like, I would buy it from them, whatever came designed for that boiler. But like I said, the Aquastats and ignition modules are big no. They have to be you can't swap them with different makes. And yeah, so I guess so what I did was, you cannot bypass these are safeties. So I capped off the gas line to the boiler. So the boiler is off. It was late last night, and so I gotta get the part tomorrow. I'm gonna try to be there at 7 a.m. when they open up, and get the part and go on the you know, put the part and get heat back to the building. It's not that cold anyways. Yeah, so I don't know, I just found it very you know, interesting. Let me know if anybody seen anything like this before, that they crack open like this. Yeah, interesting. Anyways, ciao.